Okay, we got an unboxing to do today. Here comes your dummy, my little dummy. Jumped out of my lap again, as usual. What? You want to look at the camera now? Huh? Not me. Look at the camera, not me. Well, anyway, I got my speaker and microphone arrangement for the RT70. This was actually used for a Humvee, actually. So, it's actually a newer setup. The dog's really going to help me out here. Let me put this on his head. How's that? Anyway, you off to the side here, Chubbs. Wait, you jump down. Alright, there you go. Good dog. Now, I'm going to open this up. This came from Florida, actually. What's in the outfit? Planet Surplus. That's where this came from. Apparently this guy had a lot of these surplus. So, we'll see. Oh, sure, it's full of beans. Not the ones that dissolve either. Oh, look at that. Oh boy. Well, let's see. Well, something's wrapped up. Feels like a cord. Oh yeah. Let's see. The handset. Okay, over the side. Everybody got it wrapped up really good, I was saying that. I'll pick it up so I can get the phone back in the box. But let's see. Yeah, it's just going to be a mess. Let's see. Pick it up. Oh, it's raining! Let's see. There we go. Put that back in there. And get it all wrapped up. Yes. There we go. There. Oh, it's really in nice shape too. Actually, if you look inside these things are something else. There actually is a lot of circuit boards and everything else inside this speaker. But yeah, it's loudspeaker control unit LS671 slide bar 5RC. And let's see, when was this thing manufactured? In 93, I think. That's what it says. I have no idea what the B up there means. I don't know. It does have a couple of long mounting screws on it, stick out. And let's see. The handset. Just wrapped up the cord. I didn't do any taping on it. So, yeah, it's in pretty nice shape. The mic switch is right there, aside. And this will plug in where? Let's see. Oh yeah. I think it goes in J2 on the front here. So if we got that right, line up the hole, and it should lock in place. And this is what you have. The complete handset. I have no idea where the clip hangs. Oh, I see. This probably goes in here somehow. But yeah, so this will be going on the RT70. This is sort of going to be an upgrade for it. In fact, it does have another connector On the bottom, I have ordered that connector separately. It's a used connector. I will have to go ahead again and make another cable up. I haven't finished making the first one up yet. It's kind of a pain. Because I had to get everything out of it. That's all that went in it. All this here. Don't mind the solder. But that's all the guts for it right there. And cleaned all the pins off. And here's actually how it has to hook up on the radio itself. Plus, I did something else. I'll show you that too on the radio. Alright, here's the radio, and there's the power supply. And what I did was I mounted the power supplies in the box. I've mounted the binding posts. What's going to go there is those are going to be for the 12 volts, positive and negative side. Then they will be hooked over. We'll be going from here to there, inside the radio. This is the 90 volt supply and a 6 volt supply, or the filaments. And then they'll be going over to the radio, over here. And stop it, Chip, don't be barking. And then they will go to the radio, and then I just turn on the 12 volt supply, and it makes noise. Yes, you can transmit with it. Close the relay, and it does work. And my brother and I have talked to each other back and forth with this, and it works fine. But now I still had to get this plug in. I had to make sure I got the power supply wired in. So pretty much things are coming together for that. So anyhow, there's what we're going to be looking at. It's going to be the whole system. And so that's going to be it for now. Talk to you guys later.